This is the Intellibeam video on how to fix the Splashtop Remote Print XPS error. So first things first, you're going to remote into your computer. And then once you get in there, you already have the printer driver installed from the previous video. But when you go in and go to print on this Splashtop printer, so it prints out your default printer at home instead, you end up getting this error. So it says it's sent, but then immediately you get the pop-up, Windows cannot find xpsrchvw.exe. So to fix that error, first things first, you're going to want to close out of your remote session that you were just in, and you're back on your local computer. And then on the search bar here, you're going to want to type in apps, and that'll bring up the apps and features right here. Or alternatively, you can just click on Start in PC settings, and then in the setting, find a setting here, just type in apps, and apps and features comes up. So either way, if you don't have the search down here, you can do it the other way. So then you're going to want to go over to optional features right here, and then add a feature, and scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see XPS Viewer. So you're going to want to install that. And after that is all set, it doesn't prompt or do anything as if it magically just worked. So now you're going to want to go back to your remote computer, remote back in, and then go to print something out of your printer, Word document, whatever. But once again, I'm just going to print a test page. And there you go. You're going to see it's going to want to print now out of your home printer over here. You can pick whichever one that you want it to come out of. So there you have it. If you ever have this issue where you can't print and it comes up with that XPS error, just follow these steps and you'll be all set. Once again, that was the How to Fix Splashtop Remote Print XPS error by Intellibeam, technology of tomorrow, today.